and this is how the pinouts of this STM board. Okay, and now I'll just move on to the anomaly detection. So openly to say, just to avoid the future accidents or maybe some safety point of view, we wanted to detect if any abnormal system. Also, they just made point safety assurance, reducing downtime, energy efficiency, sustainability. So, but my intention is I just want to avoid a future accident, and also I just want to make it a safe system. So that's my intention for why I wanted this anomaly detection. And this is a few words. I know that you people knows what is machine learning, but this is not a conventional machine learning. It is on-device machine learning. Okay, this is what I was talking about. When we talk about machine learning, we need high computation powers, right? So suppose if I want to design a complete smart system for my complete block, okay, what actually we will do, we put so many sensors in all the rooms, all the labs, all the classrooms, right, and we will take all the signals to one the controller, and there we will do all the processing. Maybe we will put it in the cloud, we will process everything, we will take it back, and we will do all the analysis. So this is a conventional machine learning, right? So for this conventional machine learning, we need actually high computation power. But this is on-device machine learning. It means that each board or each, for example, what I do, this room I will take it, okay, I have 5 sensors, I will connect that 5 sensors with one module, okay, that module itself having machine learning. Okay, then similarly I take the room number 2, there I have multiple sensors, I connect there, and that there I put one module, so that module is having one machine learning module. Okay, then finally I can connect all the things in my central system. So that is the difference between the traditional machine learning and on-device machine learning. Okay, so this is what the traditional machine learning, this is how it happens. Level 1, that is a cloud edge co-inference. It means most of the processing, okay, everything happens at the cloud. Okay, but my intention for this lecture is level 6. It means that all on device. So it means I collect the data on my device, I do all the training and testing on my device. Okay, I'll be deploying everything on my device. I'll be making it as a dedicated system for one particular application or one particular, for example, if we take it as smart rating or something. Okay, so that's the difference between traditional machine learning and on-device machine learning. So for that purpose, okay, the ST, okay, STM, okay, they just brought one software called Nano Edge AI, okay, Studio. So this is completely designed by ST, and it is a very user-friendly machine learning platform, okay, for embedded developers, designed to simplify the process of ML innovation. It's very simple. Okay, so as I said, even if you don't know coding, also you can use machine learning models. So here, this Nano Edge AI, how it works is, it has thousands of libraries on cloud. Okay, cloud already the thousands of libraries are there. Okay, and whenever I collect the data, if I feed the data, okay, do all the training at the cloud and we give it back to the device. Okay, so then I'll show you the RAM it will take, how much the flash memory it will take for this particular application. That will show you. So it's very simple and it is a very systematic process. Set of procedures we have to follow. If you follow that, you can do a better machine learning model here. Okay, so I just skip all these things. And it is having multiple algorithms. So to name few for classification, they have given SV and they have given, and XV goes to anomaly detection. Okay, for anomaly detection they are given IPCA, okay, then ZCA, okay, and also here I listed one more, GMM they have listed, ZSM is there, okay. So these are the few and micro machine learning, okay. So these are the things. It will take the multiple libraries, it will itself for the final testing, okay. And this is the one of the very first commercial non-AGI model. Okay, so we just started using NKU Vatato. It's just a kind of a plug-in play. So just to analyze the vibration, we just install it already. It's a commercially done by some company. So maybe in future, okay, most of the companies will start using this kind of AGI applications. Okay, so now I move on to the STM32Cube. Okay, so to code all these boards, okay, just give you the boards. Maybe how many are there? 4, 6, 12. 9 there, okay, so 15, 16 is there. I'll just give you some. Okay. Please pause on. Sir, you just open that box. If any blue color board is there, you just take it out. Sir, this board. That one is nice. This. So one I want to have it, so I will keep it for myself. Because when I completely tested and I put it for my show here. One more. Enough?
Give me the one more. Anybody wants one more? Keep it here.
Yeah.
Anybody want one exercise, then you can.
One extra is there, you can get.
Keep here. Everyone is having cable? Yes, so for this session, so we wanted few software. I just already told you people to install as STM32Cube, okay, and STM32Cube programmer. See, suppose if you want to test before you start the project, if you want to test that your board is working or not, okay. So for that purpose, they use this STM programmer. Just we connect it and it will show some multiple interfacing platform or communication protocol. You have to select it and you click connect. If it connects, it means that yes, your board is ready to interface. Okay, for that purpose, I use this STM32Cube programmer, not for some. Suppose if you want to do any kind of internal setting change, we can go for this, but we are not doing any kind of a changes here. So this is not required. So this is required. And suppose if you want to do any advanced level IoT projects and so you want a CubeMX, we are not touching the CubeMX here. Okay. And the hardware what I have given is a NPU L476 RG development board. Also one micro USB cable I have given, and it is also already having the ST micro STD, so we don't have to connect any STD. Okay. So first we will start with one basic project, okay. Then I will share some codes also, okay. Maybe government will share it. You keep it on your stop. The change to be done. I will tell you. You can open that and you can do the change, okay. Then we can upload it on board and we will test it. Okay, so it is not like maybe looking at it is it's always a basic program for every controller they give. Okay, so here why I just wanted to give this as the very first experiment is, as I told you here, unlike the Arduino board, here the IO pins are all IO pins are programmable. Okay, all the pins are programmable. Okay, each pin is having multiple functionality. Maybe that you can observe here. Yeah, you can observe here. You see, if I take this pin, okay, if I take this pin, okay, it is having multiple functionality. Okay, so all these are programmable. But if I go with the Arduino board, only you can use D0 to D13 or A0 to A5. That's it, nothing else. Okay, but here everything is programmable. Here, how to do programming? To tell that one only, I kept this as a first experiment. Okay, yeah. So the very first one, maybe you can all open the STM Cube IDE, STM32 Cube IDE. Nano AGI, you close it. Now it's not required. Close the Nano AGI. Please open only the STM Cube IDE. And you can connect the board also, no problem. You can connect the board now.
We need to connect. This side we connect both.
Yeah, that's what you can.
Mouse will connect that side. This board will connect this side.
And you check when you connect the board, it will open the mass storage. You see that when you connect the board, first step it will show the mass storage. It will show the mass storage of 3 MB.
Details, sir.
So showing now, close it. Once it shows, close it.
This one only.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Oh.
Close it.
Okay. Done. So now I think everyone have opened this Cube IDE. Okay, go to new, and select STM32 project. Go to new, select STM32 project. Downloading files.
STM project.
This is what I told you people to do.
A new book, yeah? New
Because it will
book.
take some time.
Yes,
Still, I think internet is there fast, right?
Oh, internet is required.
Man is there. Internet is required, obviously, 100% required. No, for ID is option, but it's but for Nano AGI, 100% required.
Then everyone should.
No, you can connect. No, this
Multiple. And
23 You can check the Wi-Fi network. It will show the network or available networks. I just turned on my
ID ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Let it.
5G is there. Correct, 5G. 4G is
Target selection.
say like once if I connect, all of you will see here, if I connect the board, yeah, I can open this. Okay, so this is actually a mass storage of this board. So this is not required. You can close this. Okay. Sorry, so I just go to the software directory. So STM32 Cube IDE.
Second one, 5 new STM project. Target selection. Second board.
See, this will be the dashboard. Okay. So just go to file, click new. Okay, and here you can see that STM32 project. Okay, please click that. It will show one question. Just click yes. You don't need to do anything. Just click yes. Okay, it will open this page. Maybe first time when you do it, it will ask you to do the firmware update. I think everyone have done this firmware update.
Sir, actually, it open target selection.
No, wait, I will tell you. For you, open.
Target
The second
Wait.
boards are here. Second 4,800 this number. This number
Sir, down from morning I didn't get internet is not there in outside.
Not from my room also. Wait, sir.
So morning no.
11 onwards it is not
Internet is not there.
There is no red markings on the router, all green only.
Yours also.
Yes, sir.
Your room also.
Yes, my room only, sir.
Even my room also.
Last
LAN
week
also
is
not
not
working.
Not
LAN is
working.
also not working.
But here I don't know.
LAN is not working.
Not ground is not there.
Hey.
This line is working, sir.
No,
No.
if that is there, there also something.
No, sir. Or else you do one thing. Router you bring, sir. Router will connect here.
Router take now. Share the user password and date.
Maybe now I connect with the hotspot. I don't want to waste the time.
You are doing like
I thought it's working now and informed.
Just give A476 in that one board will be highlighted here in this the nuclear will be highlighted. So you connected that. You click on that. This one. Click on that. Automatically the name will change to nuclear. It's
link STM32 cube ID 1.
Okay. So even I don't know how to change. Somehow I change the color. I don't know how to change the color. Now, if it is a high-speed network, it will be very good. Okay, all the time, everything will happen very quickly.
It's a dark mode.
I don't know how to change. I only change, but I don't know how to revert it back. Yeah, anyone please check how to change. Google it and check.
Google phone, you take phone. Setting it. Google setting.
Yeah, so go to now it's fine. Everything is updated for me.
Now after that,
So STM32. So there one dashboard will open. It's a target selection board. So there, suppose if we use separate microcontroller, okay, if you have the chip with you, okay, you have to go there and type your part number of it, okay. But what we are going to use is a board, okay. So you select the board, okay, and that board you just type Nucleo N476RG, you type it.
Not good. It says
L476 board C sir, the board. Nucleo N476 RG.
here.
So you connect your
Nucleo. There is L4. L4.
that is what not supposed.
Now you do.
I'm not able to select part number. Both selected here. No, it's not. That is not.
so for this purpose only it has to
This one under entry also this one. No, entry only not possible. Not shown cursor.
Search LAN.
Search.
बहुत बड़ा है वो डाउन नहीं डाउन जो है वो बहुत बड़ा है।
Which is not possible.
Reference services.
Wi-Fi not
board selector, no, sir?
Board selector. Type your board number. Once you type the board number, your right bottom side, your board will display. Your right bottom side, the board will display. And you select that board and click finish. Select that board. You should give the proper number. Nucleo-L476RG. You please. Here it's not opening. It is very slow. It's not opening. Sir, ask Manju to bring one cable. Now you connect it. No. If you type, no? Wait. No, you type, sir. Here you type the board name. Not here. No, here. Yeah. Nucleo. Yeah. L476 476RG. That you select. Take it, click it. Now it will show the board. Select and finish. Select, just click it. Finish. Next. Yeah. Click OK. No, project name, you wait here.
This is
Oh, sure.
See here, board selector, and just type the Nucleo L476RG and just select this, and here bottom right side it will show. Just click on the board and click next. Okay, so it will show another window. It will show this window now. Okay, here you have to give the project name. So to change the drive, where the location, you just untick this. So by default it is tick, use default location. You please untick this and browse. Okay, and wherever you want to save the file, just put it. Okay, so maybe I'll just do somewhere here. Okay, so I just put one folder here, test folder. Okay, in that test folder, I'll create one more folder for saving the blink. First experiment, blink 1. Just select the folder and give some name. You can give any name, no problem. So blink, I just give the name as blink. Okay, and click finish. Just click finish. It will ask you to select initially all peripherals with their default mode. You click yes, because every time we'll be going with the default mode only. So click yes. Once you click yes, okay, you can see that the chip will open. Your STM board controller will open. If your internet is fast, it will quickly open. So my internet is very slow, so it takes some time. Yeah, it's open at the back end. See here. So you can see here. So this is what my controller is now. Okay. So on board you can see that this controller is there. Now the controller is available to code. Okay, the controller is available to code.
Sir, please log into download the software.
Yeah, this is what I told. So firmware is not updated. So you are connected with this one. Here, see that chip connection. It's connected with now. Yeah.
We need to turn on like this. Turn on this. All are available. Sir, wait.
So for everyone it's open, this page is open. So if it is not opening, it means that you are not connected with SD, my SD. Internet issue.
Now Wi-Fi now DSC, right?
Now you can connect the internet now. Just connect.
What is the name?
DSC. Yes, connected. Okay. Now I tell you how to do the coding. See here, some of the things are already allocated for some predefined function.
Triple E, small E, E,
Sir,
E.
it's not available.
And
It's not available.
1,
This for here.
Yes. Shall I go ahead? What is those are assigned for some default functions. Okay, please don't disturb that things. Okay, and as I told you, it is having or one user push button. Push button is connected with PC30. Push button is connected with and it is connected with PF5. This, okay. PC30 is push button. Okay, PF5. You can see at the bottom. CF5. Okay. This is okay. So what I want to do is use user LED PF5. Just click on that. See that showing multi options. Can you see that? So it means that can be used for options. So that is the Q5. Okay. Now I just want to break a little. It's a I just take it as GPO. Actually, it will be go. You can see it's coming colors off. So one second, make a output. Configure pin now. So once this done, thing is control this. Just press and ask you yes. And see that in the folder what you have created that multiple folders. See the file website top. These folders so if you are not getting that folder, it means that your firmware updated. So you see here, you can observe. This folders I have not created. You can see you got it.
Under that one, this info,
Right, we said firmware is not updated. Please connect with MyST.
version.
Please connect with MyST. Where you can do this, go to help, and there you can see queue updates. Connect to my user account detail. Please give your mail ID and password. What we have created already. MyST not login.
Yeah.
Do it. It's not vulnerable.
It's taking
It's fast. Can you check, sir? Yes.
Now, if that's not happening, we cannot go ahead. It should happen.
Close now.
That is close. So please make it fast. You please connect your web. See how you can do this. Go to help. You can see that STM32 cube updates connection to MyST. This you have to do it. Since I already connected, it is asking me to clear my ST account information. So for you, it is asking you to enter, right? So you have to log in inside.
But login.
Morning. Then after logging it will
It's login, that's it. One inside.
yeah, that window.
When you click that
Login, right?
login, that window is
Now it's connected. So now once again you do the same process.
G P
As you close it. What's the connected, sir? It's connected? Connected, man. Once again, complete. Please create just
yes, yes, yes.
For me, it's connected. For everyone, they will see.
not coming here. I'll write that.
Yes.
You want fast network, otherwise time waste. This line is fast, no? This is what we can't do. This is fast.
Same also, same only, sir.
Maybe some disturbance.
Wires coming from there. There it is connected.
Inside, sir. Inside the office area and this extension.
Okay, so that you connected to the.
Okay, sir.
And anyone pen drive?
Take it as
Regularly, monthly, analyze.
Still it is showing the same 2 hours only.
No, 49. I did not know. This is my network. इसलिए ये नहीं रखा है